How to add table in Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a table in Canva. So there are two ways from which you can add a table in Canva. Click on create a design at the top left corner and select your size. Go to custom size and create a canvas. Now for the first method, we are gonna use elements. Go to the elements tab and search for table. Once you do that, then different table format will pop up. You can select any of these. You can also adjust the size of the table. You can make it bigger in size and also add columns or row. From this method, you can make a desired table. To add lines, simply hover over the lines, then click on the plus icon to add another line. For another method, you can use shapes like this to create your own table. Simply arrange these shapes to create a table. This also depends on what kind of table you're trying to make. To create a pattern, select the boxes and click on duplicate. Now keep on going with the pattern. Once done, you can insert text. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.